How you doing? Welcome back. This will be update number 2 of my Unity game here. So we'll just go ahead and make this a two-parter, and we'll get started with the first part, which are these little walls here. Uh, Start it again so that you can see that these walls are actually a little bit randomized. That first one came down, the last one didn't. It was reversed the first time. You can do that again. See if you get a different one. Yes. So yeah, these are kind of randomized here. They play into the items again. We have a jump and a shrink. So these walls will go. This one is a jump. This one will be a shrink. And then this one you have to jump and shrink through. And so those are going to be the three walls that will ultimately be in my level. So this is still a work in progress on this one. And we'll go ahead and transfer over to the actual game now. All right, so this would be the main game. Still same thing. Got the start buttons, got these different difficulties. As you'll see though, lighting is a little bit better in here. I do also have these torches, and I'm not sure if the sound will pick up. No, it does not. But these torches do have a little crackling sound to them as well, not too overbearing. So mainly all I did was some minor bug fixes and overall little quality of life for, I guess image improvements. Main one being that last time I had these cauldrons mixed up. Now they are properly organized there. You'll also see in the top right of the screen there, there is now an indication that you use the rock with a nice little green outline. And the rock goes head in there, and of course it will go through and you can end the game. But yes, so I did add these torches to the majority of this game here. Uh, the lighting on here, I may want to try to darken a bit. But got a nice little effect going there, and it's still just a giant maze. And these blank spaces here are where those walls are going to come into play. So definitely look forward to that in the next update. Other than that, like I said, just mainly bug fixes. I did have an issue where you're able to activate both of the stones at the same time by standing in the middle. But I was able to fix that one, and so that is the game. Little quick update for you, and hope you enjoy, and see you next time.